Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about the different Office 365 applications and how you can integrate them with your daily workflow. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks for customizing your Outlook email and signature. You may be receiving emails that come in different fonts, colors, or are themed with the holidays, and you would like to also change your email templates as well. You can easily do this within Outlook in several different ways. The thing that will impact your email customization the most is your signature. It is more than likely that you have already been set up with a company email signature and are using it when sending emails from your Outlook account. To find and customize your email signature, go to File and select the Options icon on the left-hand side. This will open a window where you can manage all the different features in Outlook. To open the Signature Management window, click on the Signatures button. You can also open this window by creating a new email, going to the toolbar, and next to the font customization tools, you will see an icon that says Signature. Select this icon and click on Signatures. This will open your Signature Manager, and from here, you can set your primary signature, customize your current signatures, or create a new signature. This is great for customizing your signature for the holidays, relaying important information about your company like new services or regulations, and for personalizing your emails. All signatures appear at the bottom of your email when you open a new email window. And you can set different signatures to populate for emails by default. For example, we will select the Christmas email to populate when we create new emails, but when we reply or forward an email, the main signature will populate instead. You can also easily switch between signatures while in a new email window. Click on the Signatures icon and you will see all your available signatures here for you to select. Click on one to change the signature that is populated in your new email. You can also customize your font for your emails as well. You can use the font customization tool in your new email window to change the font, size, color, and many other customizing options. However, if you want to have a consistent email format that will customize your font by default, go back to the Outlook Options window by clicking the File, Options, and Mail icons, then click the Stationery and Fonts. This will open a window with several options for you to customize. There are many different options, but the two main ones for customizing your email fonts are the new mail messages and the replying or forwarding messages prompts. Click on the Font button, and this will bring you to a window where you can choose the size, style, color, and effects of your font. See that when you select a new font style, or font size, you can see the preview window change with the selections that you make. This is also the same for when you make a change to the color or effects of the font. When you find a style that you like best, click the OK button to see your new font in action. Open a new email window or open a reply to an email and start typing. In the Outlook Options window, there are other customizing options like changing your editing settings, managing your autocorrect, customizing your Outlook reading pane, and managing notifications for new messages. Take a look around this window to best customize Outlook for you. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can customize your Outlook account and emails. If you have any questions or are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.